Hi everyone, Jillian from Jillian Vance Design here, and today I have your homework for the one-of-a-kind craft along. This Saturday we will be on at 12:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so make sure to join us. And if you're joining us and if you ordered the kit, I am here to tell you what you need to cut, what you need to have on hand so you can follow along with us. So, shall we get started?
Yes.
Alright, so first of all, the things that you're going to need to cut. You need 2 sets of black cats. So, keep that in mind. You know, you could do another color if you wanted, but it's Halloween, so just do a black one. You need some pumpkins, 2 pumpkins. You need 1 spooky, you need 1 boo, and these are all on the cool cat die set, except for the pumpkin.
You need the
little top pumpkin
topper
lid. Pumpkin lid. And then you're going to also need your little back pieces for his ears and his nose. So you'll need 2 sets of those as well. And then you'll need a witch hat. Color preference up to you, but you are going to want to match it to your ink.
You need the leaf and the stem.
Oh yeah, the leaf and the stem, which is gone. Oh, I think I see it. No. Well, leaf and the stem. You can see right there.
Oh, there's a leaf. There's the stem.
Oh, okay.
Little baby pieces.
Yes, so you're going to need those as well. Keep that in mind. They are smaller.
A background that is A2 size.
Yep, with whatever colors.
Yep.
So we have orange and purple, whatever you want to use. Yep.
And then this is the rectangle, stitch dot rectangle.
Yep.
Largest. If you have these, you can use them. If not, get on the website. It'll tell you the size if you want to layer them like that. And
then just have like a piece of yellow paper, or it could even be white, really, because you're going to emboss your gilded sparkle on there. So it doesn't really matter.
So then we'll cut the eyes and the face.
Yes.
During the live.
Exactly.
So
then you're going to need some, embossing ink. So I have Wow here, and I also have a re-inker, just in case. You know, if you need that, have that prepared. I have an embossing buddy. Definitely a big help. Technically, I don't know if you'll need that for this, just because we're doing like a surface area and not like a sentiment or anything, but keep that on hand. And then have some ink of your choice. It doesn't have to be Distress Oxide. It can be whatever you want.
Yep.
But
to blend.
Yep.
With your brush.
With your brush, yes.
And a baby wipe close by so you can wipe that brush off if you only have one.
Yep.
And then your stencil.
Yep, your stencil. And then, of course, your pumpkin and your cool cat.
Yep.
That's it.
We welcome you to watch along, even if you don't have these items, because after you watch it, maybe you'll decide you need them.
That's right.
We will see you Saturday.
Bye, everybody.